All right, let's turn it on and let's see. Oh, right. So, okay, so there was an explosion. What's up guys, you're watching My Next Best, and in this video, as you can see, this is the electric rice cooker that has arrived from our partner network, and we're going to be unboxing this unit, and we're going to be showing you what comes in this box. It's a bit broken on here, but that's okay. 5 litres, that's the unit, about £39, really cheap for 5 litres, and if you find something similar on Amazon, it will be at least 50 quid, 60 quid, but this is just £39. Fragile, as you can imagine. It's mentioned, do not stand, do not crush, do not throw. All these safety instructions pretty much up top. Electric rice cooker, that's the item of the day. So without any further ado, let's open it up and what we have inside. Alright, let's do it. It's all ready to go. Let's open it up and see what comes inside of this package. Alright, very nicely packed. I can see it's all brand new. So your packaging material and rice cooker pretty much inside, and oh, that's it really. The box has nothing else, so I'm going to get rid of it straight away. So I need to find a better way to get rid of it. There is hardly any room here. I need to check if there's an instruction manual. Nope, nothing else. So it's safely discarded. It's the rice cooker. Looks pretty good so far. What I'm looking at is a pretty massive 5 litres rice cooker. As you can see, this looks pretty slick, pretty good quality it seems to be. I do see a bit of scratching on here, but that's really minor. But this is your rice cooker and it's in a brand new condition. All looks pretty good so far. Let's open this top. There's something on here on the top. Oops. Alright, so that's all gone. Here's the rice cooker. It seems to be, obviously on the camera, it seems to be really small, but if I turn this, it's a pretty big one. 5 litres, pretty big one. As you can see, there are quite a few options, quite a few features here. I'm quite surprised it doesn't have an instruction manual. I think there is one online, so I will be probably referring to that when cooking. But there are a few options here. I think there's a bit of a cover on the top. There's a bit of a plastic cover on the top of this screen. But you have start, warm, function, preset, time. There are these proper buttons in here, and there are all these different options to choose from. But warm, function, start, preset, and time. These are the 5 buttons that come right up top. And if you were to open this, you need to press this button. Otherwise it won't come off. So if you press this button, it opens up, and it opens so. Inside comes the power cable. This is a UK model, so it comes with the UK specification power cable. Let's open it up. Obviously we need to make sure that it works. I'll have to test it out later on, whether it's really able to cook food. It's a really short cable, not too impressed, but that should be okay, because if it's going to be in the kitchen, it should be close to the power socket. And it's like your laptop power cable, so I might probably use one that I have for the laptop to replace it with. Other than that, you have a few sections inside. This is like the top tray, and you have this container for water, to measure water and stuff. You have a booklet right here, which is good. Hopefully it has everything. Oh yeah, it is a manual. This is the model number MRC2205J, and hopefully it's in English as well. The top end was in English. And there are these functions to cook rice, bean, express cook, meat, soup, steam, cake, yogurt, porridge, stewing, frying, and warm. So quite a few functions on there. You need to press the function button to toggle between these different cooking patterns. And what else do you have? Rice to water ratio guide, information, FCC rules. This complies with Part 15 of FCC. There's some instructions in English, selecting the function before first use, unpack everything, clean the components, and then you set the program for 55 minutes with a bowl 70% filled with water. So there's a cleaning program that needs to happen before you actually start to use it. That's the main point. I guess the gist of this is to start a program 70% water and just let it heat up perhaps for 55 minutes, and that should be a good place to start. Just come with this type thingy for rice, I suppose. I'm sure you have your own at your home. if you are avid eater of rice. Now this bowl comes with variable, so 6, 8, 10, 12 cups, about 2.2, 1.8, 1.4 and 0.1. Now my question here is, this was touted as 5 liters. This seems to be about what, liters? So I am not sure if it's really 5 liters. Is it really regarded as 5 liters? Not sure. If maybe fill rice and water up to this point as your 2.2 liters, but that doesn't justify 5 liters. So no idea. I'm clueless here. Someone let me know what's by this. I like the top part, of course. The lid stays intact one place, and you do all the rest of the stuff with the bottom containers, which is a sensible option, I suppose. And you have the usual loader, or the spring load mechanism, that starts to realize the weight of your container, and it will turn on based on the weight of the container. As food starts to get cooked, it will cook based on the weight of the container. So that's basically the mechanism of rice cooker anyway. Any rice cooker, you take it, that's how it's going to work. And let's turn it on. I wanted to turn it on. I want to see whether this works or not. Hopefully it should work, but let's find out. It's a really short cable, so I'm a bit worried as to how I manage to connect it. Let's give it a try, see if I can manage to get it close enough to the power supply. So where is the power port anyway? Let's close the container, let's look around. So here's your power port. As you can see, this is the power port. And let's connect this cable to the power port. It's not too bad. It's not a long cable, but it's not too bad. It should still be within the frame of the camera. Now I've connected it, I need to power it on. So I'll turn it on. I need to check what's going to happen on here. Hopefully the bottom menu section should turn on. Or probably push it back. Hopefully, or let's just turn it this way. It's got nothing inside at the moment, so hopefully nothing happens, obviously, because you wouldn't have started anything. So I shouldn't expect an explosion, at least. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's put some weight around to make sure it's intact and stable. But I don't have enough items to keep this guy intact. Hopefully this does work. Let's see if this works. Alright, let's turn it on and let's see. Oof! Oof! Okay, so there was an explosion. Something's gone. That's what I was not expecting to happen. Apparently there was an explosion. As you've seen, there was... Right, you captured that live on the camera. So there you have it. A rice cooker from Temu will lead to an explosion. I did see that turning on. Do I want to try and see if it's going to turn on again? Probably not. I don't know what to say. I do see my MCB turned off now. It won't work anymore. I think I should cut off this video right here to tell you that do not buy this item from Temu. That's the gist of this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.